This video is number 3 in a series talking about auxiliary spaces. Spaces which are not strictly speaking a kitchen or a bathroom, but are related, possibly next to, and you might be asked to design them in your kitchen or bath project. We're going to be talking in this video about laundry areas. Where should you put the laundry area in a home? There's a couple of common locations, and as a kitchen and bathroom designer, of course, we're interested in near the kitchen or near the bathroom. You can put the laundry area in the kitchen or near. The pros are that the same person can be working on the laundry at the same time as they're working on kitchen tasks. Also, all of the mechanical connections are available in this area, which can reduce construction costs. The challenge with locating your laundry area in or near the kitchen is how to provide a full and functional laundry area that's really compatible with the other kitchen functions of prepping food and eating, etc. All right, sometimes this is a challenge. Another common location is in or near the bathroom area. This makes a lot of sense because the dirty clothes and the dirty linens are in that bathroom and bedroom area, so that you're not trucking them all around the house to get clean. And also, there's plumbing and mechanical connections already located in the bathroom. Again, this can reduce construction costs. So let's focus in on the laundry equipment for a second. A washing machine and an automatic dryer are going to be kind of your workhorses. They're your main appliances in the laundry area. So a typical American model washer or dryer is 27 to 29 inches wide and 25 to 32 inches deep. All right, so watch that 32. A lot of people will automatically put a square on their plan that's 30 by 30. If you have a washer or dryer that's a little bit deeper than that, you can run into trouble. Most washer dryers are about 36 inches high, roughly counter height. All right, but some of them are quite a bit higher. They can be all the way up to, for example, 45 inches high. So don't forget to check your specific specs of the of the model that you've chosen, and provide all required clearances. This is especially important at the back of the washer and dryer. Washers can be either front loading or top loading. Most dryers are front loading. For universal design, front-loading laundry appliances with front controls so they can be accessed easily are the best choice. Also, remember to choose Energy Star qualified equipment to reduce energy consumption, save money, save the environment, and low water use also. It's very important with these laundry equipment. Let's talk about the utility service requirements. First of all, what we're about to talk about is kind of the typical or standard, but always, always, always check your specific product specs and their installation information. All right, because it could be slightly different. You never know. Washing machines typically need a hot and a cold water supply, and they need a dedicated electrical circuit. Electric dryers need that dedicated circuit, but it could be a 240 volt. All right, so keep your eye on that. And with all dryers, electric or gas, you need exterior ventilation. So you need a duct to go from the dryer to the outside somehow, okay, to exhaust the dryer. If your dryer has a steam feature, it could also need a cold water supply. Okay. Gas dryers, same requirements as the electric, except of course it needs that gas connection instead of the dedicated circuit. Sometimes you can share a dedicated circuit with the washer and the dryer, put them both on one circuit, and so you'll need to let your electrician work that out. Next, let's talk about the laundry layout. And again, I've gone to the dimensions.guide website right here for some nice illustrations of different ways to lay out your laundry area. There's a couple of standard shapes and sizes. And the first is a laundry closet, and then you could also have a laundry room. So let's take a look at the laundry closet first. These are 4 different ways to design a laundry closet depending on what you want to put inside. A 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 units, and 4 units. You're wondering, what on earth is a 3 unit? Washer, dryer, and storage. All right. 4 unit, we've got washer, dryer, storage, and a utility sink. So I'm not going to go into a lot of detail about all of these, but let's take a look at the laundry closet 1 unit and 2 unit. Right? This is a 1 unit layout. It's a stacked washer dryer. So there's your 1 unit. Even though they're 2 functions, it is 1 piece. All right. And here are some of the common sizes that you could have. Always check your specific unit. So anywhere between 36 to 42 width for that closet and about 36 inches deep. Okay. Remember, that's the inside measurement on this front face, by the way. If you are going to have a swinging door and have the have a little return here, the 36 is the interior measurement. Next, let's take a look at the 2 unit layout. A couple different ways to do that. On the left here, we have a side-by-side washer and dryer. Really common laundry closet layout. And it's got some upper storage above. And notice you can have a shelf or kind of a countertop for storage and for folding right above the units, especially if you have, well, excuse me, only if you have front-loading units. Okay. Here is the same size, or roughly the same size, 2-unit layout, but it's including a stacked washer dryer and then some storage space next to it. Let's talk about a little bit larger layout, and this would be a laundry room. The other ones that we just talked about were laundry closets, comparable to the reach-in closet for clothes storage. Okay. Now we're talking about a laundry room, which is more comparable to the walk-in closet where someone will actually enter a room. There's a door that you can close behind you, etc. All right. So the first layout or category of layouts to talk about is the galley layout, single row. And so we can have this with 2, 3, or 4 units, just depending on the size of the room and how much function you would like to have in there. Here's a little bit bigger layout. This is again galley, so all of the units are in a single line, but it's 2 row. All right, comparable to the double-sided walk-in storage. So we have a 2-unit laundry room here. So you walk in, and there's 2 rows. There's your washer dryer here, and on the other side, there's more storage and perhaps another function, such as this sink. Here's a 3-unit laundry room and a 4-unit laundry room. Of course, you know they can get bigger. These are simply some of the smallest and most compact layouts. The last laundry room layout we want to talk about is L-shaped. Right, so in this case, we've got an L shape right here. This is a 3-unit laundry room. And in this plan, we've got a 4-unit laundry room. So washer, dryer, sink or utility sink function, and the storage function. Okay. For each of these plans that I've just shown you on the website that I've placed in your module, there's a lot more information about some standard dimensions and also what these look like in elevation to help you lay out and see some different options, especially for the storage in these areas. So we've talked about the appliances, we've talked about the utility connections, we've talked about some of the basic or compact layouts, but remember that a laundry area can actually include more functions and more features. So here's a picture from your textbook of a very nice laundry area, including a lot of different features. It's got some counter space for folding and sorting. It's got some bins for sorting. It's got a sink, a utility sink, and it's got a generous storage area. And if you notice also, this particular one is, excuse me, combined with a foyer or mudroom function for storing those items that go in and out of the home. So in this series of videos, we covered 3 of the most common auxiliary spaces that could be designed along with your kitchen and bath. Thanks, everyone.